Hey YouTubers, Pietta 45 LC here today, showing off a new pair of revolvers I picked up. These are the first Outlaw Gang revolvers in the United States. They're made by Pietta Firearms, designed by Colt Farrow, head of the Outlaw Gang. These two are, of course, 45 long Colt. Look at all that nice engraving. Hammers engraved, barrels engraved. Absolutely a beautiful gun. Can you see that where it says God, Guns, and Freedom there on the extractor rod housing? These are absolutely beautiful guns. Again, this is the first run of the guns, so this was one of the first pair in the United States. There will be more made at a later date, and hopefully before too long I can get these puppies out to the range and try them out. Anyway, just a real short video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Again, can't wait to see these guns in action. Thanks for watching.